Hey there everybody, Free Spin Wizard here. Today we're at Hard Rock Bristol in Bristol, Virginia, and we're going to take a look at the hotel reception area and the newly completed non-smoking casino area. So come along and I hope you enjoy it. Here's the entrance to the spa. Looks like it's pretty nice. We didn't go inside, but it's right there off of the main elevators. Easy to find. We're going to go around this corner here in just a second, and you're going to be able to see where the pool is. Now we tried to go in through the doors there, but it was locked. We assumed that you need a key card. You need to be a hotel guest to actually enter the pool. So we couldn't go in and show you what the pool looked like. Maybe next time. The non-smoking area of Bristol Hard Rock is very nice, very clean, but it's very small, as this video should illustrate for you, but it's very nice. Well, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it.